Hi there, young authors! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to learn how to write an awesome introductory sentence after your hook in a narrative story. Are you excited? Let's get started. Before we dive into the introductory sentence, let's quickly talk about the hook. Remember, the hook is that exciting first sentence that grabs the reader's attention. For example, if your hook is, "Have you ever seen a dragon?" It makes readers curious, right? Now, after that hook, you want to write an introductory sentence. This sentence gives more information about your story. It helps the reader understand what the story is about without giving everything away. The introductory sentence is important because it sets the scene for your story. It tells the reader who is in the story, where it takes place, and what's happening. It helps the reader get ready for the adventure ahead. All right, let's break it down into simple steps to write a great introductory sentence. Step 1. Think about your story. Ask yourself, who is the main character? Where are they? What is the main idea of the story? Step 2. Start your introductory sentence by introducing your main character. For example, in a magical kingdom far away, there lived a brave girl named Ella. Step 3. Add some details about where the story takes place. For example, every day she dreamed of flying with the dragons that soared above the clouds. Step 4. Make sure your introductory sentence connects to your hook. After your hook, your introductory sentence should give a little more background. For instance, if the hook was, "Have you ever seen a dragon?" Your introductory sentence could be, "In a magical kingdom far away, there lived a brave girl named Ella who dreamed of flying with them." Step 5. Read your introductory sentence out loud. Does it flow well with your hook? If not, tweak it until it feels just right. Now it's your turn. Think about a story you want to write. What is the main character and setting? Try writing your own introductory sentence after your hook. Feel free to share it in the comments below. I can't wait to see what you create. You all did a fantastic job today. Remember, an engaging hook, followed by a strong introductory sentence, helps your readers understand and get excited about your story. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be telling amazing tales. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun writing tips and activities. Happy writing, and see you next time. Bye for now.